I know it's been like 86 years since the last time I made a video, but I'm back, bitch! Today, no, actually yesterday, picked up this giant package that I ordered from Lisa, and I'm going to open it up here and show you the things that I got. So let's open this bitch up, shall we? This table is so small, so I think I have to do it on my lap. I actually should not be trusted with sharp items, so let's hope for the best. Hopefully I don't actually kill myself, but actually I kind of hope I do. Okay, this is not going so well. Oh, oh, motherfucker. Let's see what we got here. It came with this really cute Lisa shopping bag. Great! I went a bit wild with shoes. I ordered 30 pairs. It came in this plain white, yeah, kind of represent myself box. And let's see. These are so adorable. And they have a really big chunky heel, so I can stomp on hoes that try to come for me. Hella cute. Had this really pretty bow thingy on it. And I got them in the size medium, which is a 37 in European size. And I like that the heel is kind of chunky, because I have learned that you should never wear shoes that you can't run away from someone in. Woo! And this one actually has the Lisa logo on it. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know how to make it focus because I'm fucking stupid. Oh my god. Okay, these are so cute. These are adorable. And it has so much cute details. It has lace. It has some roses. And in the back it has like ribbon and stuff. It also comes with bow clips that you can have like on the shoe. Be cute. These are so adorable. And I also got these pairs, and it has like this bow thingy, and the clip is a heart, and it has this heart with a cinema girl on it. Look how cute these are. How this is adorable. And I also ordered a blouse. And it's so cute! And it has cute buttons and lacy color bows on it. And it comes with an extra bow clip that you can attach it to, and it's so adorable. I'm really happy with that. Last thing that I got is this really cute, oh, it's really hard to show, really cute cardigan. It has like ribbons and stuff down the arm, which is really cute. I wasn't supposed to make a video about this, but I decided since I need content on this channel, I might as well. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this really random video. Subscribe if you haven't already and leave a comment. Tell me how much of a skinny legend I am. And you can also subscribe or whatever. Leave a little like. And I will see you in my next video or another video or something. I don't know. Bye!